So we're starting from here on slide 21, Learn by Doing. And that'll take us over to here. And we're going to use the Best Actor Oscar winners to learn how to create a histogram. So what you do, you have to get the data. So you actually left click here, and that'll put the data into your downloads folder. And then you go out to RStudio Cloud, and we'll upload. First get into Files, and we'll upload, choose File, go to the Downloads data, and there's actor_2013.r data. Select that, click on Open, and go back here, and we say OK. OK, so now we've got the data into our computer, and we need to get it into our R environment. So we click on it and say yes, and that wrote that load command, and now we can do a structure. And notice that the name of the data is actor_age. So str parentheses actor_age. And it's a data frame, 44 observations of one variable, and it's just numeric ages. Okay. So now let's see what we're supposed to do with this thing. We take a histogram of actor_age $age. Okay, so I'll just copy this command and go over to the back to RStudio Cloud, Command V, and see the histogram, and we can zoom it to get a better look at it. And you see that you've got an outlying observation at about somewhere between 75 and 80, maybe close to 80. Let's stick this away and go back and look at the instructions. And let's see. Here's a slightly more complicated version of the hist command. We specify, in addition to just what we want to take a histogram of, you specify a label for the x-axis and a label for the y-axis. And let's take a look at that. Just copy this thing back to the cloud. And let's return. And it looks really basically the same as what we had before. The only difference is that we've got some labels, the age of the Best Actor Oscar winners, and numbers of actors on the y-axis. Okay. The same histogram we had before, but now we're going to try a little bit of fancy stuff with the breaks. And what we want to do is play around with the numbers of breaks. So first I'll just copy that command, go to RStudio Cloud, okay, and there it is with breaks of 8. And we can recall the previous command just by using the cursor up arrow. Let's see, breaks equal 5. Let's try that, see how that changes the picture. Okay, that's what it looks like with 5 brakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cells with 5 brakes. And we can try it with another option is a lot of brakes. I'll try 15. So what can I say from the histogram? Well, it's clearly right skewed. You can see that most actors are somewhere around 40, 45, and then it stretches out quite a ways and looks like nobody in the 70s, and well, somewhere between 65 and 75 probably there was nobody, and then out here at around between 75 and 80 you pick up probably looks like one actor out there. I don't know who that was. Let's see what they were suggesting that we do. Okay, submit and compare. So I will say that there is a right skew centered at 40 to 45. Extremes at about 20 and 80. So that's my comment. Okay, yeah, I agree with all that.